The Federation of Engine Remanufacturers has announced its annual general meeting will take place on Saturday, 7 October at IAF offices in Birmingham. The Federation, which celebrates its 80th anniversary in 2017, has added new members this year and held very successful regional meetings, providing members with an insight into FIR activity and discussing key policy. With news that the UK government plans to ban sole petrol and diesel engine cars from 2040, the Federation will look at how its members are gearing up for the future. FIR is encouraging members to attend the AM to learn about the Federation's activities over the last 12 months and actively engage in the running of these activities. Anyone wishing to attend the meeting should contact FIR. On the day following registration, leading engine parts supplier Elring will conduct a presentation before the AM takes place. FIR has been instrumental in integrating standards and efficiencies across the engine remanufacturing sector, all working to the British standard BSAU 257/2002, stipulated within its code of practice. With technology continuing to evolve, FIR has widened its remit, having attracted attention from companies involved in wider remanufacturing such as reconditioning turbos and major units. John Gray, FIR president, said legislation is changing the nature of our industry, and so we need to work very hard to ensure a prosperous future for our members. This is something the Federation has done throughout its 80-year history, and we will continue to drive the Federation forward in the future. TAG's annual general meeting, Association, Federation of Engine Remanufacturers FIR, IAF, John Gray, Category UK News.